let's go and finally try and beat that boss that I haven't even seen yet. Which way was it? I think forwards. Holy shit, chill, chill, chill. Hey, yo, chill. Okay. 20,000 souls already. Okay. That's surprising. And yeah, let's pull this. Slow elevator. It happens, it happens. I always think it's so weird because, like, elevators in Dark Souls, they just go down to, like, the depths of hell. They don't stop like a normal elevator would. It's like they have a basement, but it's never accessed. Hmm. 26 on 26 embers. Let's go. Straight at the boss. Here. What the hell? Dragon Slayer armor. Alright, I'm guessing I'm fighting you. Oh god. Okay. That hit me. Uh-oh. We have a bit of a problem here. What? Is that fire? Whew. Whew. Okay. Yeah, well, that was easy. That was easy. Get wrecked. Okay. that was so easy. Oh my god. No head ahead. Alright. Timing, he's right. That guy does not have a head. Liar ahead. I don't see no liar. Is that Farron Keep? No, that couldn't be Farron Keep. No, that's some... Oh, that's the Consumed King's Garden. Yeah, I recognize those gates and those... Yeah, okay. Interesting. Alright, well now I gotta go back over to Firelink because I can level up. I was not expecting to beat this boss within like 3 minutes. Let me check what he has first. Like as a reward. I'm guessing I already have his armor, right? I thought it was Ornstein. No, it is Ornstein's armor. Was he also like... No, he was wearing different armor. So, his weapon, which I can't use, or his shield, which I can't use. Which do I want? Neither.
I took the map.
Stop talking weirdly.
Ashen one.
Ashen one.
Very then taken.
So, what do I want right now? I want, like, a bit more HP. Besides that, I want, like, a bit more dexterity. And I could get one more level in a second. Which I think I'm gonna put into stamina. No, sell. No, I need only 8,000, right? Not even 8,000. I need like 6,000, but it's fine.
Then take.
So I want to put into endurance, right? Yeah. Have a little bit more stamina.
Farewell, Ashen One.
Farewell. Dragon Slayer armor. Parrying dagger. That's interesting. There's a special skill called parry. I don't know what that is. I'm too garbage at the game to use parry. Okay, so what's over here? Or ahead. Okay. No chest ahead. That's conflicting messages. Pointless. A tragic tale. Truly tragic tale. Oh, you're telling me to go down here. Ah, okay. Be wary of a liar. But I see the item. It's Titanite chunk. I do not need that. Alright, where are we? There's two bonfires right next to each other. That seems useful. Oh. Grand Archives? This door? Thanks for handing me the key to the door right in front of me. Alright, but what's the other place? Over here. Grand Archives. Yeah. Sure. Oh, elevator. Just you. Yeah, it doesn't move. Like always. It never moves. Oh. Yeah? We doing this now. The boss is straight up just an enemy now, right now. They think this is funny. Above me? Oh, okay. I see how it is. Just you wait. I'll be there in a second. After I get done with killing that thing. Crystal gem. I could go over there. I don't know if I want to. This looks like a maze more than anything else. Where are you? What the hell? What? No clue where she is. Oh, you have molten axe. But you see, I myself am molten. Ah, fuck that. I don't know how I get up to anywhere. Yeah, I could go this way. Oh yeah, this is how I go up. Thanks for the message, my dude. It helped me in staying alive. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, hello. Yeah, you wanna take a swing too? What am I doing in this zone? What am I like trying to accomplish here? There's a bunch of books. No. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. It seems like a bad idea. I mean, you know, it could look good. Maybe it's a new fashion, but I'm a bit reluctant. I gotta see if there's like a different kind of wax, you know? Different colors? Maybe. Where is that knight? I keep hearing him and I'm trying to get to him, but I don't know where he is. Is he over here? Yeah, he is. Oh my god. I think... Who? Who invaded me? Oh my god. Lovely. I don't have stamina. There he is. I found him. Hello there. I guess I'm gonna have to fight you. Yeah. Yeah, he got greedy. He got really greedy. I guess we're gonna have to dunk my head in wax. Alright. That's more like it. What the fuck am I doing? Why is it so dark in here? What is with the music? What the fuck? I don't like this. Oh, what the fuck? No, fuck that. Fuck that. That legitimately fucking scared me. Pull back. Crank? Turn the lights on? What? No? Okay. Oh, a secret passage. Let's go. Is that a mimic? No, it's not a mimic. Witch's locks. Is that a whip? Wait. That's a whip. Yo. That sound scared me. Power within. What does that do? I'm curious. Temporarily boost attack, but gradually... Okay, no, we're not doing that. Nah. That's just like the bad kind of power up. You know, you could use like a thunder pile thing. Like a gold pile of resin. Yeah, you could use that. You get stronger. You don't take damage gradually though. You know the axes in this game, which have the war cry, which makes you stronger. Yeah, you could use that. You don't have to gradually lose HP for it. Do they not care about me? Oh no, they do. What does the waxed head do? I don't get it. What did I wax my head for? Yeah, I see, okay. Jesus Christ, this scares me. No, so you teleported it all the way up here. Where am I going? Where am I going? So confusing. I'm gonna go up to her first. I don't care. She is so annoying. I have to kill her. Please, for the love of God, just die. Of course, there's more of you. You know what, though? You're not strong. Yeah. Where did you go now? No! Not some of you. curse? Hello? Why? Why curse? Oh, it's these things. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Run, run. No, 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 no. Everything's bad. Everything sucks. Holy. Everything sucks. No, 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 don't do that to me. Please. I just want to live. Plunging attack. Oh, come on. No! No! There's so many of them. There's so many. There's so many. Leave me alone, books. I don't like books. I don't like books. Alright? Oh, item. Please. Please, for the love of God, just let me kill you. Yes! Oh my god, I can relax for like half a second now. Holy shit. Of course. I'm gonna go back and see what I missed. Oh my god, that was so stressful. I almost died from the curse. There's an item over there? What? Oh, there's this color I killed. Ooh, no, 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 I forgot these are here. Fuck this game, it's tricking me. It's tricking me into going where it wants me. What is that sound? Oh, it's you. So, I'm just gonna gently get this. Right, so I could have went to the right here, but I decided to go up. You know why? Because there was a witch chasing me. Oh no, I was chasing a witch, actually. The other way around, you know? These are interesting thralls. I think they're, like, still pretty stupid. What? My head is no longer wax? I have to wax. What does this accomplish, though? I really don't get what the head waxing thing is. Praise the rear. I'm laughing and joking right now, but I think I'm gonna be crying when I get the boss of this area, because I'm pretty sure it's the Prince Lothric. No, no, not this time. Not just the last two times. Alright, let's kill this idiot sitting here at the balcony. I mean, what is he even doing? What are you even doing? Okay, you're making a fool of yourself. Look, you're dead. You're done for. Jumping required. Yeah, you know what? I actually, you know, this is a fun story that I have to tell. So, you know about that message that I just read there, where I have to jump? Yeah, for some reason, some bizarre reason, I do not trust it. I don't know why. I just don't trust it. Not doing that. This is the elevator. I have unlocked the shortcut. Why is the switch so small in the middle there? Oh god. Jesus Christ. Alright, let's go. No? Have I not unlocked the shortcut? What? Are there two elevators? Where is this? I've unlocked a shortcut. I don't know where the shortcut is. Alright, it's right at the entrance. Okay, that's good. That's good. Let me go level up, because I have a lot of souls, because of the shield mostly. I could have gotten the shield a lot earlier in the game. I didn't know about it, though. still, why is my head waxed? What does that do? What does that do? It feels like it's literally pointless. Uh, what should I even put? Like, I don't know, luck. Item discovery? I do not need item discovery. It would make me have more bleed resistance. Amazing. No, it's just because I level up. That's, yeah, okay. Dexterity, and then I need one more, and I can put some into, fuck, HP, I guess. I don't know. There we go. Ash. I am Ash.
Farewell, Ashen One.
Yeah, farewell. I'm gonna go forwards in the new area. You know what? This is going really fast. I don't know why this is, but like, you know, those episodes. Like, if you watch the series, thank you first of all, and second of all, you know those episodes from the series where I'm just like, no, it is not. I cannot progress. I hate everything. You know those episodes? It's probably because I'm tired. Right now, I just woke up, and I am not like that for some reason. I wonder why. Anyway, idea is, I'm actually progressing, which is the main point of all this, isn't it? I think it is. Get trolled. Thrall. I'm actually going up. No, I meant to fucking... it's fine, it's fine. Alright, now this way. What is this way? More of the goddamn library. I don't trust this. This looks too innocent. Yeah, I know it. Please, please, please. Oh, he waxed me. Alright. That's a new attack. That's why this looks so innocent. Yeah. Oh, they stopped me from rolling. Isn't that lovely? Alright, I'm not locked anymore. Die! Oh, there's so many books. There's so many books. Oh god. Oh god. Oh Jesus. Oh, up here too. Right, yeah. There's no safe spot. I'm just gonna, like... No, that guy doesn't see me. Just gonna chill here. Who the fuck is sleeping? What? Who's sleeping? I don't know. My advice, if you get to this area, stay away from the books. The books are evil. Yeah, they're evil. God fucking damn it. They're so evil. You cannot believe how evil they are. Also, what does that ring do? Those rings usually give you resistances to, like, bleed and poison, but that's blue and red. So, what's blue and red? Gives me poison, bleeding, curse, and frost resist. Alright. Well, you know, just for you this time, I will, I think, equip that. And, like, take off my goddamn leggings. Yeah, there we go. Alright, yeah, this isn't where it was. What? Ah, there's just a dead guy in front of the door that I haven't noticed. Oh, right, it's already down here. Forgot about that. So can I just walk through these guys? Not really care about what they do or anything. Just like go here and then do this and then just kind of. No, I do kind of have to kill them. They have magic, right? They'd be able to shoot me from anywhere in the building. Do not fucking wax me, dude. I said not to. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. I hate this. Let's actually sit for this period of time where I'm cursed. So the dragon thing, it like gives you defense. It gives you resistances to like elements, except for lightning. Lightning you suck at. And that's basically all it does. But it's not good enough. So fuck it. I'm gonna use it on my Pyromancer playthrough because it is good enough there. Oh, fuck that. No, I've been there. Got my souls back. That's all I care about. These books can go fuck themselves. I'm outside now. They can no longer hurt me. The books. There's no books outside. Who reads books outside? Monster head. Right. Lovely. Is there a monster head as advertised? Oh, yes, there is. Oh, it's one of you. You're not hard. I fought you enough times. There you go. Yeah, he's not hard. Titanite chunk. Right, all that for Titanite chunk. Don't need that, by the way. Just a little message. I hear like the sound of a ore thing. No, do not throw me off. Do not throw me off the building. Okay. Another one down. Ambush ahead. Alright. Come on, one more hit. There you go. I don't really know where I'm going right now. I'm just kind of going, you know? Titanite chunk? Yeah, I'll take that. Ah, more of you. Oh, two of you. Lovely. Both of them are left. That's good. We got past that too. Okay. What's more of them? Is them this one? That's a cool sun. Alright, what are we fighting now? Come on. I gotta know. Oh, we're back here. Yeah, I know where we are. Under the bone shard. Are you fucking sleeping? I don't know. We might be sleeping. I'm not gonna dunk my head in wax again. Oh, maybe that prevents the enemies from actually like doing the wax attack. That'd be pretty interesting. Yeah, if that's what that does, then that's really useful. I see you two. You're really not like fooling anybody. No, the problem is I'm garbage at the game. Can I please just hit you? Thank God. Now I gotta fight a Lothric Knight. Right, okay. Let's go ahead and do that too. Be wary of up? Now? No, it was before that. If I go really slowly, I can backstab him, right? Yep. Alright. I had to be careful there. I don't need Titanite chunks. Please, game. Just understand that. I don't need Titanite chunks. I've already maxed out my weapon. Let's see what's out here. Oh, I see. Alright, let's go.